Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We got 3 or 4 home runs. We got to run back to the panel box. I don't think we'll get the panel box wired up. We'll see. But stay tuned and let's get going. Alright, well, that bedroom is done, bathroom is done, kitchen circuits are done, dining room circuits are done, I got to get a wire up here for my range hood. We've got to put a couple of home runs back in the master bedroom, wire up the closets, or wire up the closet, the switches, the washing machine, and outside outlets. I think that bedroom, bathroom is done, hallway, living room. Yeah, I think that's it. And then we'll move on to something else. All right. Be a flat spot for that fan to hang. Somebody might come in here and have a stripper pole hanging on it. Now we'll have to run a wire over to this. Run drywall up to here, drywall up to here, drywall up to here, drywall up to here, and then we just put a square piece. All right. That wouldn't be good. Yeah. That would not be good. All right, we're getting ready to build our linen closet here. This is still going to be a door, but we just need to frame this up and a wall up here so that we can have our linen closet. Let's go. Slide it down that way a little bit. Set that down. Which side is that angle? Okay. Lean it up against that wall right there. We're going to need to get that broom level. Okay, Put that level on it one more time. I think we should be close. Go back here. We'll have to double this up on the bottom down here, but we can do that in a little bit. We can do that later. Alright? On this side of the track. We'll line up right there. Look at that bottom. HVAC closets framed out, linen closets framed out. Got a few more wires to run and we'll be done with this part of the project. I'm tired, it's hot, 4 o'clock. Not sure what else we're going to do, but we got to get power to that. And with that, we're going to call it a day. It's 10 after 5. It's 91 degrees. I'm hot, tired, and thirsty. But we did get all the 110 wiring done. We got the pantry framed out. We got or actually not a pantry, it's a linen closet. And we got the HVAC closet framed in. We still have to run all the 220 wires for the range, the water heater, dryer, HVAC. We still have to run the 110 wires for, no, we don't have to run any 110 wires. We still have to run the thermostat wires for the HVAC. We still haven't hooked up anything in the panel box. We're going to wait and do that all at once so we can organize our breakers like we need them. I think the next step that we're going to do will be to
once we get our wiring finished, will be to get on the, well, that's going to be great with this sun reflecting up there. We'll just wait a minute. Next time we'll probably be finishing up the electric, running some cable for the, well, for TV. Let's see if I can back this truck up. I don't hold out much hope. One shot. I'm proud of myself. Normally I'm out here taking all day doing it. Not really, but sometimes. Anyway, we're going to call it a day. If you're so inclined, hit that like button and subscribe button, and leave me a comment below. I'll read every comment. I respond to most of them. I'll answer your questions if you have a question. And hope to see you in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.